നിങ്ങളോടൊപ്പമുള്ള യാത്രയിൽ ഒരു ദശകം പൂർത്തിയാക്കുകയാണ്. സന്തോഷത്തിൻ്റെയും ആഹ്ലാദത്തിൻ്റെയും ഈ നിമിഷങ്ങളിൽ ഊഷ്മളമായ ഈ ഒത്തുചേരലിൽ ഡ്രീം ഫ്ലവർ സമയബന്ധിതമായി പൂർത്തീകരിച്ച 2 പ്രോജക്റ്റുകളുടെ കീ ഹാൻഡിംഗ് ഓവർ, ഒരു പുതിയ പ്രോജക്റ്റിൻ്റെ ലോഞ്ച്, പിന്നെ ചിലർക്ക് ചില സസ്പെൻസുകൾ. നമുക്ക് ആഘോഷിക്കാം, ആരംഭിക്കാം. ആദ്യം ഒരു പ്രാർത്ഥന.
And watch us where we grow, and help us to be wise in times when we don't know. Let this be our prayer when we lose our lead us through our lives, guide us with your grace to a place where we'll be safe.
അടിത്തറ ഭദ്രമെങ്കിൽ എല്ലാം ഭദ്രം. 10 വർഷത്തെ അനുഭവ സമ്പത്ത്, ഡ്രീം ഫ്ലവറിൻ്റെ ബേസ്മെൻ്റ് ഉറപ്പിച്ച തികച്ചും വ്യത്യസ്തങ്ങളായ 30-ലേറെ പ്രോജക്റ്റുകൾ. കഴിഞ്ഞ കാലങ്ങളുടെ ഒരു ദൃശ്യാവിഷ്കാരത്തിലൂടെ നമുക്കത് കണ്ടറിയാം. ദ ഡ്രീം ഡെക്കേഡ്.
Dream Flower Housing Projects Private Limited dawned a decade back in Kochi as a boutique builder who focused on maximizing the value for customers' hard-earned money. It offered a bandwidth of beautiful and customizable homes to soar into the stature of one of the most trusted entities of the decade in the real estate industry. In 10 years of its successful journey, Dream Flower has completed and handed over 30 projects on time. All its projects are located in the prime residential areas of Kochi and are intelligently conceived with highly customer-centric designs. Dream Flower is the initiative of an illustrious technocrat, Priya Fossil. The company, under her futuristic leadership, has won many accolades, including the Brand Icons Award instituted by Times of India Group. Priya Fossil's dedication in creating exquisite living environments also won her the coveted Sri Ratna Award by Kerala Kala Kendram, along with Agni V Missile Project Director Tessie Thomas, ADGP B Sandhya and Kala Mandalam Vimala Menon.
Dream Flower is perhaps the only builder who provides exclusivity through customization. Every flat in the same unit is unique and is created according to the functional and aesthetic taste of the family residing there. We also provide personalized care to each of our customers so that they feel confident and delighted to be associated with a brand like us.
Dream Flower's secret of success is encapsulated in the 4 pillars of the brand, namely quality, on-time delivery, customization and personalized service.
We, Team Dream Flower, ensures that every project that is delivered from our company is unique in its own style and adds a lifestyle home to the customer. Our focus and planned implementation of projects in right location combined with right price and right focus on target customers have made us successful. That's why we say we do things differently.
Making difference with personalized service and attention to detail, Dream Flower has earned the patronage of many discerning customers.
We were really looking for a flat that was close to parents and the school. So when Dream Flower put up a project like this, it was a blessing for us. Once the project came up, Mr. Fazil took us through each step. And how we wanted the house, he did it according to our wishes. We got the perfect dream home of ours.
The Casa Gardensa at Elamkulam, the Synosure at Kadandra, the Velvetude at Idapalli, and the Sanford at Alua are perfect paradigms of the soaring aspirations of an emerging brand. The successful journey continues with the creation of more and more beautiful homes to bloom the happiness of a loyal clientele spread across the world. Dream Flower, building dreams, blooming happiness.
ദീർഘവീക്ഷണം നിറഞ്ഞ ഉറച്ച തീരുമാനങ്ങൾ, ആവശ്യവും ഔചിത്യവും ഒത്തിണങ്ങിയ പദ്ധതികൾ, ഡ്രീം ഫ്ലവറിൻ്റെ മികവിന് മിഴിവേകുന്ന ഈ പെൺകരുത്ത് നമുക്കേവർക്കും പ്രിയപ്പെട്ട പ്രിയങ്കരിയായ പ്രിയ, മാനേജിംഗ് ഡയറക്ടർ ഡ്രീം ഫ്ലവർ, പ്രിയയെ സ്വാഗത പ്രസംഗത്തിനായി വേദിയിലേക്ക് ക്ഷണിക്കുന്നു.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. At the outset, let me welcome each one of you to this pleasant evening. I am standing here in front of you with lots of emotion running through my mind. The happiness to see all of you, mostly familiar faces, known individually to us. The joy and satisfaction of being able to complete a decade in the real estate industry. The immense pride on completing and delivering 30 residential projects in these 10 years. The sincere gratitude on being supported and helped by friends, well-wishers, consultants, and vendors in the successful journey. The inspiration that derive from the successful and happy customers. Today marks a momentous occasion in the history of Dreamflower Housing Projects. Let me take this opportunity to thank each and every person associated with Dreamflower who has contributed to its growth, and we are here only because of you. On this very special occasion, we wanted a special person as our chief guest. Sri V.P. Nandakumar, the chairman of the renowned Manappuram Group of Companies, is one of the personalities counted among the as the finest CEOs of the country. Let me extend a warm welcome to this inimitable leader, the great philanthropist, and an unparalleled visionary to this function. Dear sir, we are really honored with your presence. That we would be officially handing over the keys of the apartments of those customers in our 29th and 30th completed projects. That's Evita and Luna. I wish each of them and their family a great beginning in their new homes and let happiness bloom their lives. I assure you that you can be in touch with us for any assistance. Let me now welcome all of them to the growing Dreamflower family. The director of the company and my partner, Mr. Fasil, would be announcing our new prestigious project, Synosure, at Kadavandra during the program. I thank him for supporting me in all the tough moments in my entrepreneurship and welcome him officially to this function. Our associates are the ones with whom we synergize to delight our customers. Let me offer all our associates the dream bouquet of welcome. Let me also welcome all our well-wishers and friends from the media fraternity who have been our brand ambassadors for coming in and making this event ever memorable. I would welcome all my friends from all walks of life who have come here to make this occasion more grander. Last but not the least, I welcome all the employees of Dreamflower and their families to this function. The commitment displayed by all our team members is something really remarkable. Actually, I wanted to name each one of you individually, but due to positive time, I am unable to do it. Thank you all, and once again, let me welcome all of you. Jai Hind.
ചില മാതൃകകൾ എപ്പോഴും സമൂഹത്തെ ആകർഷിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കും. സ്വപ്രയത്നം കൊണ്ട് ഒരു സാമ്രാജ്യം തീർത്ത മലയാളത്തിൻ്റെ സ്വന്തമായ ഇന്ത്യയുടെ നേട്ടമായ ഒരു വ്യക്തിയാണ് ഇന്ന് നമുക്കിവിടെ വിശിഷ്ടാതിഥിയായി എത്തിച്ചേർന്നിട്ടുള്ളത്. അദ്ദേഹത്തെക്കുറിച്ചുള്ള ഒരു ചെറിയ വീഡിയോ പ്രസൻറ്റേഷൻ.
Sri VP Nandakumar, chairman of the renowned Manappuram Group, is an iconic business personality. In the last 2 decades, under his inimitable leadership, the company grew into a pan-India brand with 3,300 branches across 26 Indian states. He is ranked among India's top 100 and most valuable CEOs list. A great philanthropist, he extends financial support to the needy through Manappuram Foundation. This man with flawless foresight has won many regional and national awards. We present to you with pride a legendary son of Kerala, the magnificent Mughal of the Money Dom, our chief guest of the day, Sri VP Nandakumar.
ഇനി നന്ദകുമാർ സാർ നമ്മളോട് 2 വാക്ക് സംസാരിക്കുന്നതാണ്. അതിനായി അദ്ദേഹത്തെ വേദിയിലേക്ക് സാദരം ക്ഷണിക്കുന്നു.
The success of Dreamflower projects, Priya, Fasil, who have built their dreams and who enjoy the blooming happiness, who instill dreams in us and helps us also to enjoy the blooming happiness. Their family members, their well-wishers, their clients and friends. A very good evening to all of you. It's a great moment. Somebody successful in Kerala in 10 years who have built 30 projects, and today, while celebrating their first decade successfully, they are handing over 2 projects, that also with timely completion. So Kerala is a very competitive market for real estate projects. To be successful, one needs to be excellent in quality and timely. The project shall be timely completed. This has been demonstrated, which is very, very evident from the success story they have with them today. Today, they are going to start one more project. With the history behind them, we all have no doubt their project will be oversubscribed. What I understand, what I hear from the public is, the couple started their business with a bigger sum of 1 lakh. Now, their projects are valued around several crores as far as the market capitalization is concerned. I'm sure in the times to come, they will highlight their quality through rating. Now the projects are being rated by the credit rating agencies, which ensures the testimony of the quality of the project with regard to the quality of construction, quality of the materials used, quality of the timely project, completion of the project, etc., etc. So, what we find in the construction industry, we go by the advertisement, we commit to a project, and we do not get the project timely completed, which not only leads to cost overrun for for those who run the project, but also who buy the project. So, the sincerity, the professional, what I understand, Priya and Fasil have a team of people, have the professional management with them. So, all these are ensured without, unless the project, we have a team of professional management, what happens? Something happens somewhere, our attention gets diverted. So, for an unsustained attention, for any project or any business, what is needed is a team of people, committed people. So if something goes wrong with somebody, that will not affect the project at all. I wish the couple a great success in the times to come. I am sure if they keep the same dedication in mind, their vision in mind, I am sure that they will be a none to reckon with in the country in another decade. I hope in another one more decade, they should be internationally known. I wish them all success. And I'm happy that I got the opportunity to participate in today when they celebrate this 10th year of their success. Thank you.
ആസ്വദിക്കാം കൊച്ചിൻ തന്ത്ര അവതരിപ്പിക്കുന്ന ഒരു ഫ്യൂഷൻ ഡാൻസ്. എവീറ്റ. അഫോർഡബിൾ ഹൗസിംഗ് എന്നതാണ് എവീറ്റയുടെ പ്രത്യേകത. 2013 ഡിസംബർ മാസത്തിൽ തറക്കല്ലിട്ട് വെറും 12 മാസം കൊണ്ട് നിർമ്മാണം പൂർത്തിയാക്കിയ പ്രോജക്റ്റ്.
Dreamflower Evita present a new lifestyle destination for lovers of exclusivity. Located off NH17 at Whitela, opposite Gold Souk, the apartments heralds the new age in customized luxury. The spacious design and utilitarian features make them a class apart. Dreamflower, building dreams, blooming happiness.
എവീറ്റയുടെ കസ്റ്റമേഴ്സിന് താക്കോൽ കൈമാറുന്നതിനായി നന്ദകുമാർ സാറിനെയും പ്രിയയെയും വേദിയിലേക്ക് സാദരം ക്ഷണിക്കുന്നു.
എവീറ്റയിലെ ആദ്യത്തെ താക്കോൽ ഏൽക്കുവാനുമായി മിസ്റ്റർ ശ്രീ രാജേഷ് പി ടി, അദ്ദേഹത്തിൻ്റെ പ്രിയതമണി സോനുവസ് പ്രഭയും ഞാൻ ഈ വേദിയിലേക്ക് ഹാർദവമായി സ്വാഗതം ചെയ്തോളൂ. ജോൺസനെയും ഫാമിലിയും ഹാർദവമായി ഈ വേദിയിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം ചെയ്തോളൂ. അടുത്തതായി ഫ്ലാറ്റ് നമ്പർ B202 സിജോ ജോസഫ്, തങ്കമ്മ ജോസഫ് ആൻഡ് ഫാമിലിയെ ഞാൻ ഹാർദവമായി ഈ വേദിയിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം ചെയ്യുന്നു. മഹേഷ് കൃഷ്ണൻ ആൻഡ് ഹിസ് വൈഫ് ഡോക്ടർ രോഹിത സതീഷ് ചന്ദ്ര. മഹേഷ് എത്തിയില്ല, കാരണം മഹേഷിന്റെ ബ്രദറിന്റെ കല്യാണമാണ്. സോ ഐ ഡോണ്ട് തിങ്ക് ഹാസ് മെയ്ഡ് ഇറ്റ്. അടുത്തായി ഡ്രീം ഫ്ലോറിലെ കുടുംബാംഗമായ മിസ്റ്റർ ഫിലിപ്പ് ചെറിയാൻ ആൻഡ് ജെം ചെറിയാൻ, രണ്ടുപേരെയും ഞാൻ ഹാർദവമായി വേദിയിലേക്ക് താക്കോലേറ്റുവാനായി ക്ഷണിച്ചുകൊള്ളു. ഇവർക്കും അറിയാം, ഏറ്റവും നല്ല സമ്പാദ്യശീലമുള്ളത് ബാങ്കേഴ്സ് ആണ്. അടുത്ത കസ്റ്റമർ ശ്രീ കൃഷ്ണകുമാർ ഗുപ്ത ആൻഡ് ഹിസ് വൈഫ് റൂണ ഗുപ്തയാണ്. ഐ ഇൻവൈറ്റ് കൃഷ്ണകുമാർ ഗുപ്ത ടു സ്റ്റേജ് ടു റിസീവ് ദ കീ. അടുത്തതായി അഡ്വക്കേറ്റ് പി ശ്യാംലാൽ ആൻഡ് ബീന ശ്യാംലാൽ ആൻഡ് ഫാമിലിയെ ഞാൻ വേദിയിലേക്ക് ഹാർദവമായി സ്വാഗതം ചെയ്തുകൊള്ളു. നമ്മളെല്ലാവരും ആഗ്രഹിക്കുന്ന ഒരു സാധനമാണ് എപ്പോഴും ഹാപ്പി ആയിരിക്കുവാനായിട്ട്. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അതേ പേരിലൊരു ഭാര്യയെ കിട്ടിയാൽ നിങ്ങൾ ഹാപ്പി ആവോ ഇല്ലേ എന്നാണ് നമ്മുടെ ചോദ്യം. അടുത്തതായി ഞാൻ വേദിയിലേക്ക് ക്ഷണിക്കുന്നത് എൻ്റെ സ്കൂൾ സീനിയറും ഹോസ്പിറ്റാലിറ്റി ഇൻഡസ്ട്രിയിൽ വർക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്ന ശ്രീ ജെയ്സൺ ചാക്കോ ആൻഡ് ഹിസ് വൈഫ് ഹാപ്പിയാണ്. ഞാൻ ജെയ്സനെയും ഹാപ്പിയെയും വേദിയിലേക്ക് ഹാർദവമായി സ്വാഗതം ചെയ്തുകൊള്ളുന്നു.
നമ്മൾ മലയാളികൾ സമയബന്ധിതമായി കാര്യങ്ങൾ ചെയ്യുന്നതിൽ ഏറെ മടിയുള്ളവരാണ്. കാരണങ്ങൾ പറയുന്നതിൽ സമർത്ഥരുമാണ്. ബിൽഡർമാരാണെങ്കിൽ പറയുകയും വേണ്ട. എന്നാൽ ഇവിടെ ഡ്രീം ഫ്ലവർ ലൂണ കേവലം 9 മാസം കൊണ്ട് പൂർത്തീകരിച്ച് ഉദ്ദേശിച്ചതിനേക്കാൾ 4 മാസം മുൻപ് ഇന്നിവിടെ ഉപഭോക്താക്കൾക്ക് കൈമാറുകയാണ്. അങ്ങനെ ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി ടീം ഡ്രീം ഫ്ലവർ തങ്ങളുടെ കസ്റ്റമേഴ്സിനോടുള്ള പ്രതിബദ്ധത തെളിയിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നു. കൊച്ചിയുടെ IT ഹബായ കാക്കനാട് സ്ഥിതി ചെയ്യുന്ന ലൂണയുടെ ഒരു ദൃശ്യാവിഷ്കാരം.
Dream Flower Luna at Kakinad off Seaport Airport Road is a tribute to the aesthetic aspirations of those who love cute homes. The Luna is for sure a landmark of convenient and comfortable living in emerging metro. Dream Flower, building dreams, blooming happiness.
ലൂണയുടെ കസ്റ്റമേഴ്സിന്റെ താക്കോൽ കൈമാറുന്നതിനായി നന്ദകുമാർ സാറിനെയും പ്രിയയും വേദിയിലേക്ക് ക്ഷണിക്കുന്നു.
നമ്മളെല്ലാവരും തന്നെ നമ്മുടെ അതാത് ബിസിനസ്സിന് ആവശ്യമായ രീതിയിൽ പരസ്യം ചെയ്യുന്നവരാണ്. എൻ്റെ അടുത്ത കസ്റ്റമർ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ അദ്ദേഹം ഇന്ത്യയിലെ തന്നെ പ്രമുഖമായ ഒരു പത്രത്തിൻ്റെ കേരള ബ്രാഞ്ചിൽ വർക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്ന ആളാണ്. അദ്ദേഹം സ്ഥിരമായി കമ്പോസിംഗ് ഡിപ്പാർട്ട്മെൻറ്റാണ്. ഞങ്ങളുടെ പരസ്യം കമ്പോസ് ചെയ്യുമ്പം കണ്ട് ഒരു ദിവസം അദ്ദേഹത്തിൻ്റെ ബഡ്ജറ്റിന് അനുയോജ്യമായ ഒരു പരസ്യം ഞങ്ങൾ റിലീസ് ചെയ്യാൻ കൊടുത്തു. രാത്രി 12:30 മണിക്ക് എനിക്കൊരു കോൾ വരികയാണ്, എനിക്കൊരു ഫ്ലാറ്റ് വേണമെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ട്. വളരെ സന്തോഷം തോന്നി. അദ്ദേഹം ഈ കാര്യമെല്ലാം രാത്രി തന്നെ പറയുകയുണ്ടായി. ഞാൻ ചാൾസ് കെ വർഗീസിനെയും അദ്ദേഹത്തിന്റെ കുടുംബത്തെയും ഹാർദവമായി ഈ വേദിയിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം ചെയ്തുകൊള്ളുന്നു. ഹി വർക്ക്സ് വിത്ത് ടൈംസ് ഓഫ് ഇന്ത്യ കൊച്ചിൻ ബ്രാഞ്ച്. ഐ വെൽക്കം ചാൾസ് കെ വർഗീസ് ഓൺ ടു ദ സ്റ്റേജ്. Our next customer was actually Dr. Sengot Vail. He is the one who has actually worked with Dr. Abdul Kalam on his missile project. Unfortunately, due to Pongal, he had to be in his hometown, so he is not there. So we go to Rijo Matthew George and Karina Varghese, who are actually software engineers, to come to the stage and receive the key from the chief guest. R. Umesh Kumar and his wife Sujata. They have bought a flat in Luna just for the convenience of their son's education at Model Engineering College, Trikakara. So we welcome you, sir, to the stage. Umesh Kumar and Sujata.
Vem, como se Marcelo, gatinha linda. Hoje a festa é VIP, eu quero dançar, quero me acabar.
അടുത്തതായി റിയാസ് ഖാൻ ആൻഡ് ശബ്ദം ടാജിനെ ഞാൻ ഈ വേദിയിലേക്ക് ഹാർദവമായി സ്വാഗതം ചെയ്തുകൊള്ളുന്നു.
Se tu non parli miezza americano
quando si fa l'amore sotto la luna, come da venga vedi I love you. Papà americano. Come da venga vedi I love you. Papà americano.
கனா பன்னிகளா கூட்டமா வரும், சிங்கம் சிங்களா தான் வரும்.
ഒരു പുതിയ പഴഞ്ചൊല്ല് പറയട്ടെ. ബിഹൈൻഡ് എവരി സക്സസ്ഫുൾ വുമൺ there is a non egoist husband. Classmates, lovers, life partners and business partners. മറ്റാരുമല്ല, ഞാൻ വേദിയിലേക്ക് ക്ഷണിക്കുന്നു ശ്രീ ഫാസിൽ, ഡയറക്ടർ ഡ്രീം ഫ്ലവർ.
Respected Chief Guest of the Day, Nandakumar sir, and my dear members of the Dream Flower family, a warm good evening to you, all of you. When I was a class 7 student at Sainik School, Karakotam, one of our teachers was having his farewell party, and normally the farewell party is during the dinner time. I have a couple of my seniors here. So there was a speech which was given by Sri Muhammad Kunji sir. He said two things. He said, boys, I wish to give you at this occasion two advices. First, he said, never compromise for values in life. And second, he said, please honor your commitments. As a small boy, I did not understand what he meant, but I just kept this thing in my mind. And during my academic stint, I realized, and when I got into my career with Escortal, which is current idea, again, we have some core values which are there. We say, honor your commitments, which was one of the key values that Escortal and many organizations which are successful today believes in these two fundamental things. We Team Dreamflower have implemented the same along with other high values right from day one, which made our journey of 10 years very smooth, successful, and all the more a very enjoyable one. All my friends knows my weakness. I'm a foodie. I have a passion for food. Once Priya told me, if you cut down on your food and reduce weight by 10 kg in a month or 3 months, I will buy you a car of your choice. I sat from morning till afternoon, thought about it. When it came to afternoon, I was very much worried about having my biryani. I said, no, I don't want your car. Better I would like to have my food. All my comparisons are related to food. When a customer comes to buy a flat, if he says, okay, Faisal, I would like to buy a ready-to-occupy, which one should I choose? I would say, ready-to-occupy is eating at hotel and under construction is cook at home. So, as a company, we offer a buffet of items or projects to our customers for them to choose as per their taste and need. As a person, I'm the better half or she's my better half, we are classmates. But when it comes to the company, our roles are very clearly demarcated. Priya is the one who formed this company in 2004 alone. I joined this company in 2009 because I was in my career till that time and I didn't have the confidence to come and join a small company like Dreamflower, leaving aside my Saint Gobain or Reliance. So she said in 2009, either you come and join the company or I would replace your post with somebody else. And I said, fine, let me come back and join. And till date, she has given me my salaries on time. And I handle the sales, purchase, and licensing portfolio. And I interact personally with my customers because the value of every call that comes to my company is minimum worth 30 lakhs. So as a team, we cannot afford to miss it. We operate with some 8 cell numbers, which will ring throughout, and 24/7 open for our customers. During this interaction, I've learned the customer purchase parameters, which I've shortlisted to 3. What are 3 things that a customer coming to buy a property looks at? First and foremost, he looks at the location where he wants to stay. Second comes his budget. Third and last only comes the builder. He is never worried about the builder, or he would like to buy it from a builder who operates in the locality, who is credible, who has got the best products, or who completes on time, and various parameters that suit his budget and other requirements. So location, budget, and last comes the builder. Unlike a car decision where you would say, I would like to own a BMW or a Mercedes-Benz. So we have always, and we plan to operate with these 3 parameters in mind. And our objective as a company is to become the preferred builder in that location where we operate, so that any customer who wants to take up a flat in that location, we should be preferred first. And that's our aim as a team. As you all know, word of mouth is the best tool. As a company, we started with a very little capital of 1 lakh and we never had the money to advertise. So, and many of my customers who are there from first projects till now are here. They would vouch with me, and we actually had a 7th-year anniversary at Holiday Inn again on 17th August 2011. 2012 we had a get-together there. So we had done the programs and we had done the advertisement only after 6 years of operation, because we wanted the product to be established first, and then comes the brand, which is definitely a very important criteria in today's market. Till that time, 6 years, when we had some 14 projects rolled out, reference was the best tool which worked in favor of us. It was based on pure reference that we used to sell our products. Our past record has created trust among our friends and well-wishers. I believe in this world, trust a lot. This resulted in patronage from many of our existing customers and has given us, on the 9th year of operation, joint venture projects like a chain reaction. We had never done a joint venture till last year. Now we have around 10 to 12 projects running on joint ventures alone in Cochin City. This is the only catalyst that has given us the growth that we are looking out for the future. Currently, we have 10 ongoing projects at 5 locations in Cochin City and plan to continue focusing our strength as a niche builder, or in simple terms, we will give you a business class treatment at an affordable pricing. Improvements and innovations are very key for any business. I'm sure all of you sitting here would vouch with me saying that Nokia was once a big brand. today we hold the iPhones and Samsungs of the world with many other Android platforms. As a company, we have always worked upon the feedbacks and the process improvements which has been suggested by our internal customers like bankers, advocates, chartered accountants, structural engineers, architects. Very simple example, I would still proudly say, I have a customer named Advocate Lelulal. When we had placed the fan hook, there was a small mistake on it. He pointed out to us and we corrected on the next project onwards. And we very happily say that his son, Akhil, when he wanted to buy a flat, we were preferred as the builder and he bought the second flat from us. So that's what we say. We take the feedbacks and we work on it, not that we just take the feedbacks and push it to a side. Our latest project, Cynosure, is a result of that. These are apartments with a forecourt. Normally in an apartment, if you go, any apartment has a common problem of placing the shoes, your umbrellas, or all your things that you don't normally take it inside your house at the lobby space, which makes it very bad. Whereas on a house, we have a veranda. So we said, why don't we have an apartment with a veranda? And we named it a forecourt, and we have apartments with forecourt. And this suggestion was given to me by Thomas sir from STFC, because he is a person who, whenever he sees us, he treats like a boy and say, Fasil, do all these changes, they will do good for you. And we are focused on a 3-side ventilation for the flat with 2 car parks, because today a customer has more than 2 or 3 car parks because it's husband and wife working, and we live in a city where all of us need to be mobile at whenever moment we want to be. And it's just 12 units, business class or a first class. And privacy, which is a very important factor in urban living. We have taken care that there is no common wall sharing between the flats, no 2 doors face each other. And above all these things, it is just located 20 meters from Sahodhan Ayyappan Road, or the metro station is 100 meters from the project Dreamflower Cynosure. And this project was again a joint venture on a very high costly land at Kadavandra. You know the land price of Cochin, like and land is our working capital, unlike money. So we had launched a project called Casa Gardensa, and this particular project belongs to C.R. Menon's uncle, Professor Balakrishnan, who was impressed with our work, and he gave us a chance to do a joint venture in a prime location, which would not have been possible if I were to purchase the land and do at this point of time. Our future plans for the company include a project coming up at Panampally Nagar, where the land has been identified. It's again on a joint venture based on reference. And the next project planned at Alway. Because if you ask me what is the plan for next 10 years, no, I don't have an answer. But as a company, we have plans for next 3 years. And we believe in doing it because we say, whatever be the circumstance. And as a company, we have grown maximum during recession. And that's the time when people were saying what to do. We said, this is a time for us to grow because things were available and it was affordable. With this note, I invite our chief guest, Nandakumar sir, Professor Balakrishnan sir, the JV owner for the land Cynosure, Managing Director Priya Fasil, and our architect Bijit to the stage to formally launch Dreamflower Cynosure for all of you. We welcome you once again to the stage, sir. Please come. We have a small video for 1.5 minutes for the project because it's a baby just conceived and we are doing the scanning. I request Nandakumar sir to use the laser and start the audio visual for Dreamflower Cynosure. request our architect Vijit Jagdish to hand over the first brochure to our chief guest Nandakumar sir and formally launch this project. Architect to hand over the walkthrough presentation of this to the joint venture owner, Professor Balakrishnan and family. As I told as a part of my speech that I believe in a world called trust. And there was a book which was gifted to me by Mr. Alex, the owner of current Tierra Food Products, where I'm also a director, and he was owning a company called Neptune Ready Mix Concrete. He presented me a book of Stephen Covey called Speed of Trust. I'm not a very voracious reader like Priya because she finishes a book in a day or two, and before she sleeps she sees that she has read something for the day and she has got a huge collection of books. And I listen to the stories, but I'm good at speaking unlike Priya. So I just get a gist of it, I can frame it to a story and present it in front of a crowd. So this is not a success story of Priya and Fasil. Dreamflower is actually a teamwork. If you ask me why I'm able to stand here without any tension and just run around, meet up you, it is because I have got a very strong team who has been with me from day one. I don't treat them as our team or they are like my extended family because I spend more time with them rather than with my son Ferdin and Arman. Teamwork divides the task and multiplies success. Dreamflower has a long-standing association with all its internal and external customers. If you ask me who was my chartered accountant when I started the company, it is KK Ramendran. Still, he is a chartered accountant. If somebody asks me who is my advocate, it's SN Nair and Associates, Advocate Binu John and Abhilash Bhaskar. Who is my structural engineer? It's Anil Joseph, Geostructurals. And we have continued the same association with all our people and bankers even. And the simple formula is like when trust increases, speed goes up and cost comes down. Jojo is the same person who did the event for us 3 years back. So he knows what we need and we don't need to be worried about anything. We would like to felicitate our team members on this memorable occasion. And this is as a token of our sincere gratitude for their outstanding contribution in building this company and a brand of this current stature. They have never looked at times, and as a company, you'll be shocked to hear that we even provide a paid leave for 2 years or 3 years, depending on the employee's need and his role in the company. And my average age of the team is 27, and we are a company with a very low attrition rate. So first, I call upon the first employee of this company, Mr. Shyam KP, to come to the dais. Shyam joined this company at the age of 20 when he was a teenager, and today he is a responsible father of Pranav and a loving husband for Preeti. We proudly present you, Shyam, a memento and a loyalty reward bonus for 2 lakhs, and please accept this from our behalf. Shyam handles a portfolio where he can mint money, but I trust him for his honesty because he handles the licensing portfolio, which I was personally handling. Second, I call upon a very sweet gentleman. He can never stand in a place for more than 1 minute like me. He is a Gemini, I am a Gemini. And it's none other than my PR who will take all the beatings from a location for no cause or no fault of his because he wants the company to have a peaceful running of project there without any local issues. It is my senior supervisor administration, Mr. Krishna Kumar. Krishna Kumar joined this company when he was 26. And if you ask him his age today, he will say still I am 26. But he is 34 today. He is just become a father. He is blessed with a baby boy and a loving husband for Priya. His wife's name is also Priya. He has been serving in the company for last 8 years. To Krishna Kumar, we proudly present you a memento and a loyalty bonus of 1,25,000 rupees. And we bow our heads for the service that you rendered to us, KK. When I say it is my family sitting here, I mean it. Because we have a lot of employees from the same family. Next is one of my genius of the company, I would say, not in terms of his academic qualification, but in terms of his skill. He came to us asking, saying that I would like to become a security in my site. And initial couple of 3 months, we noticed that he had the skill that which a BTech guy from the current self-financing college may not have. Rajesh joined this company at the age of 27. Today, he is a caring father for Arya and a loving husband to Divya. And we proudly present you, Rajesh, a memento and a cash prize worth 1,25,000 rupees as a loyalty bonus. And he is a brother of Krishna Kumar. Next comes the person who handles the very crucial portfolio for a company, the taxation accounts, Bini. Bini joined this company at the age of 29, and she is blessed with twins, Arush and Ameya. Bini is married to Sudhi, and we say Bini takes classes for all the ladies of the company, saying that how to make your husband an obedient one, and she has done a master's in it. She has been contributing to the company for last 8 years. We proudly present a memento and a cash prize, a loyalty bonus of 75 rupees for your outstanding performance and contribution building the brand Dreamflower. Thank you, Bini. If you were to ask me, as a company, we believe in one thing, skill of an employee and then the qualification. Skill, attitude comes as the first priority, and then comes the qualification. Because as a company, we have a different strategy of operation. We have an administrative team who are actually the CEOs of site, and we have a technical team who operates and sees that the quality is ensured. Can you ever imagine that a person driving a bus can handle a site or a multi-storied building and complete that in a record time of 18 months? Yes, I believe it. I call upon the stage Sajad to this stage and saying that he is in the company for 8 years. He joined us when he was 26, and he's a father of 2 kids, Abid and Adnan. And Adnan is celebrating his birthday on Tuesday with us, and he's a caring husband to Sajida. He has been proudly presented a cash loyalty bonus of 75,000 and a memento. Thank you, Sajad, for your outstanding contribution to company. Please give him a round of applause. We have the third brother from the same family of Rajesh and Krishna Kumar coming to stage. Rajkumar, if you were to ask me what is his best quality, he is a perfectionist like Priya. You give him a site for operation, and you go to the site, you know that it's Rajkumar's site because it's well and maintained. And before handing over a project, it will be spick and span, and he's a ruthless guy in terms of his work execution. And you can expect him at 6:30 in the morning saying that I'm taking this resources for the company. Rajkumar is 26 when he joined the company. He is the father of Adidev. Adidev is just 3 months old now. He is also a responsible husband to Vinita. And we proudly present you, Rajkumar, a loyalty bonus of 75,000 and for your experience of 6 years, a memento. And we salute you for all the contribution that you've done in the last 6 years. We have a very sweet character. He talks less, does his work. A very calm, cool guy. And it is none other than our Nidish, but his biggest love is for vehicles. He'll ensure that the vehicles that are given to him are taken care of, just like his own son or daughter. He is still a bachelor. So, Nidish, we proudly present to you for your past 5 years contribution to company, a loyalty bonus of 35,000 rupees and a memento. Please come to the dais and receive it. We have a birthday girl who will be turning, because ladies don't like saying age, so I'll restrict this. You can calculate. She joined this company 5 years back on January 22nd. She handles one of the most toughest and crucial portfolios of the company, that is administration, HR, collection from customers, interaction with bankers, which requires tremendous amount of patience. Because if Alfonsa put off her phone, the money that is to come from bank may not come on time, which will end up in bad payment, or we become a bad paymaster to our vendors. And Alfonsa, I told you, she is turning She was 22 years when she sold the company, and I don't want to tell her current age. And she's celebrating her birthday on January 2nd. Married to Robin and blessed with Angel. And Angel is going to be 5 years, as old as what she is in our company. We proudly present you a bonus of 60,000 rupees and memento from the chief guest. Thank you, Alfonso, for your outstanding contribution. And she is the one who has interacted with almost all the customers because she handled a very crucial portfolio. Now we have a technical master. If you ask me what is the skill, his first skill is to ensure that he is a guy, brilliant guy to do a set out of a site. And architects and engineers sitting here know what a set out means. And if he makes a mistake, the building can have variation measurement. Second, on his piling platform, he's an excellent executor. Arun joined this company at the age of 25. He is now a father to a newborn because next year we are going to have some 5 birthdays celebrated at a row. He's married to Needu and has been serving the company from 2010. We proudly present you a loyalty bonus of 35,000 rupees and a memento. And thank you, Arun, for your outstanding contribution to company. He's a BTech graduate. There are only 2 pipes in an organization. One is a pipe that brings in revenue. Other is a pipe that takes out revenue. And there are so many pipes which can take out the revenue, which will be expenditure in any sense. So, as a person or a director handling sales, I would always say sales is the most crucial and important function for any organization. And sales guys have a very fabulous life, but they always have a tension. They never get a peace of mind. This young lady joined us before marriage. She joined the company at the age of 24. And after 1.5 years of operation, she was going to get married. She said to us, I want to leave. I will convince my husband and come back and work for this company. But she told all other people I might resign. She was very smart enough to convince, like she convinced a customer. She convinced her husband, Jinesh. And she is a proud mother and a lovely husband to Jinesh. And there is none other than my right hand, I would say, Dhanya Vijaykumar. We proudly present you a sovereign of gold for your outstanding contribution to company for the last 4 years. And we are proud of you, Dhanya. Please come to the stage and receive this memento and 1 sovereign gold. Next technical guy, he hails from the land of communist, but he is not a communist. Very soft-spoken guy, and he is none other than Radish, who joined this company when he was 26. He is newlywed to Sangeeta, has been serving in the company for 3 years. Radish, we welcome you to stage and proudly present a loyalty reward of 25,000 rupees and a memento from the chief guest. So please welcome with a warm thing, Radish to the stage. You know, one of the key portfolios for any company is its public relations. When the company was small, I was handling it personally for the company. And amount of phone calls, meeting with politicians, local associations, it was a hectic task. And again, handling of vendors, follow-ups. And that's a profession which requires a lot of patience, at the same time, bold decisions, and above all, honesty, because you're playing with direct money. And this gentleman joined the company. He was there only for a short stint of 3 months. He had his personal commitments to his family, but he gave us a word saying that, sir, I will go to Gulf, work for 2.5 years, marry off my sister, then I would come back and join the company. He went to Ras Al Khaimah, and during our visit to Dubai, we personally met Alex. And he has done his schooling, everything along with a priest. And he was in Paru for some time, and he hails from Mavelikara. It is none other than Alex Tangachan, who is a PR for the company, and he's in the company for last 2 years now, and we proudly present you a sovereign of gold and a memento on behalf of your contribution to the company. Thank you, Alex. We have given away the memento to 12 people out of our team strength of 27 who are almost 3 to 5 years to 10 years in the company. I request all these 12 pillars to come to the stage and a group photo with our chief guest. This, we come to the end of the award ceremony, and there is a gentleman sitting in a ball for last 7 minutes for us, and next is a dance sequence. Thank you, Nandakumar sir. We have a couple of activities lined up. As you know, he has been sparing a lot of time with us. He came here at sharp 6:45, and sir, as a token of our love and affection, we would like to present a small memento to you. I invite Priya Fasul to come to the stage, and we invite you to the stage, sir. Your words, we will ensure that whatever you have spoken to us, we will try to implement and achieve greater heights.
നൃത്തവേദിയിലെ ഒരു അപൂർവ കാഴ്ചയുമായി വീണ്ടും തന്ത്രച്ചുവടുകൾ, എ ബോൾഡ് ഡാൻസ്. ഡ്രീം ഫ്ലവർ ഒറിഗ 202 മിസ്റ്റർ കൃഷ്ണൻ തമ്പി ആൻഡ് മിസ്സിസ് ലക്ഷ്മി തമ്പി ഇരുവരും ഡ്രീം ഫ്ലവറിൻ്റെ സാരഥികളായ ഫാസിലിനും പ്രിയയ്ക്കും അവരുടെ സ്നേഹോപകാരം സമ്മാനിക്കണമെന്ന് ആഗ്രഹം പ്രകടിപ്പിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്.
As we come to the close of the formal function for the evening, I am assigned with the duty of a formal vote of thanks. First, I thank our chief guest, Nandomar sir, for accepting the invitation and spending his valuable time with us. He is a very busy man, but the simplicity at which he accepted the invitation is worth mentioning. Though he is not here, we thank you, sir, and ensure that we will implement whatever you have been suggested to us through your welcome speech. It would have been impossible to get connected with Nandomar sir without besides a single person who has helped me. There is none other than Ajit, my close friend. He is the MD of Pegasus, and I would say in a single word, he is a true innovator in terms of events. Two things which I have noticed after interacting with him. First, he holds a lot of titles like Miss South India, Miss Hair Contest. I don't know what other titles he holds. There is an award which is called the Malayali Business Achiever Award, which was presented to the CMD of Shobha Developers recently, and that is constituted by the Pegasus Group. I thank you, Ajit, for all the support, guidance for the event, and even arranging the dance troupe which is belonging to him. Thank you so much for getting us a chief guest in no time. It's only because of the trust and support by our customers, by investing in our projects, but just by seeing the land or trusting our words, we are here today. Without customers, any company is a big zero. We thank each one of you for sparing your valuable time and coming here and gracing the occasion. I thank all my friends from Young Indians, our senior members for Kerala Chamber of Commerce and Industry, and my fellow directors from the Youth Forum of Kerala Chamber of Commerce and Industry, my friends from BNI who are present here on this occasion. If you were to ask me, where do I go to recently there is a seminar which is going to be done in Cochin by Dhanam Magazine, because Vijay Kurian is again my fellow BNI member. How to make, what are the channels to get funding for your business? If somebody to ask me in this business, I would say, be a good builder, go to HDFC, they will support you. Right from day one, from a loan of 12 lakhs to loan worth crores, it has been HDFC who has given us on-time loans, and we also have given 90 to 95% of our files to them. And it's not like a banker and builder relationship. Me and Priya are just like their son and daughters for HDFC. I thank Ignatius sir, though he's not present here, Thomas sir, Varghese sir, Prem sir, Johnny, the entire top team of HDFC management is present here. They have supported us right from the day of inception and acknowledge the presence of senior management and all the support that you have given us for the last 10 years consistently. Thank you, each one of you, sir. Our sincere thanks to Mallika ma'am, Assistant General Manager, State Bank of Travancore and Bank of Baroda, State Bank of India, Axis Bank and GIC, who are present here and has been supporting our customers through loans as well as our company by approving the projects. Me, Priya and Ferdin Adman, we have an extended family. Can anybody guess who is that? Which is that? It is none other than our Rotary Club of Cochin Downtown and all its members who are present here. I have no words to thank you because it's a family which is there, and you have constantly been a source of motivation. And my first joint venture project has come through our own club president, Dr. Anthony Thomas, and the landowner is again a Rotarian, and it has been a chain reaction from then on. I thank each one of you, and it's our family, and tomorrow again we have a family meet. They even postponed the practice sessions for our event. I thank each of my Rotary Downtown family for your valuable presence. Thank you. There is a bit delayed clap. Madhavji is not sitting in the front, that's why I believe. Thank you, Dilip, Managing Director of Organic BPS, for meticulously planning our branding activities and this event. And though Beena is not present here, our sincere thanks to Beena. It was yesterday night that we had got the script at 12:30 for the welcome speech and various activities, the schedule, and they have been present in the menu from afternoon onwards to see that things go as per the schedule. Thank you, Dilip and Team Organic BPS for all the marketing and branding support. And just like you have built many big brands in Kerala, hope you will take us also to greater heights. Together we will grow. Last but not least, it's Team Dreamflower who has made this happen, this journey of 10 years. We express our sincere thanks to each one of my team members present here. Anytime an event can go to a big failure because of technical troubles. But if there is one man called Jojo and Extreme Minds, his team is there. He's a Kazakh. He's my super senior at school. If he's there, I know it's going to be a very smooth sail. And I thank Jojo, Extreme Minds, and his team for the wonderful support in terms of this operation of the event. And to Hotel Marriott team, Vivin, who is operational head, Pallavi and Jesslyn, who has been, and the chef Anthony, who is actually from China. They have sat with us, crafted a very exclusive menu for us, unlike the normal banquet menus. So please enjoy your live salad, live desserts, live mocktails. We don't have cocktails, unfortunately, because I don't advocate drinking, and my religion doesn't permit. So I thank the Hotel Marriott for giving all the arrangements, and the dancers who has been arranged by that's the Minilet team owned by Ajit Pegasus. And thank you one and all, young and small, who has made to this evening and part of our journey of 10 years. And I request each one of your support in years to come. And we thank you once again. Thank you.
Comparing ചെയ്തത് പുറത്തുനിന്ന് വന്നൊരു കോമ്പയർ അല്ല. ഞങ്ങളുടെ ഡ്രീം ഫ്ലവർ കുടുംബത്തിലെ അംഗമാണ് ദീപക് നമ്പൂതിരി. ദീപക് ലളിതാംബിക അന്തർജനത്തിൻ്റെ കൊച്ചുമകനാണ്. 2005 ഞങ്ങളുടെ ഒരു പ്രോപ്പർട്ടി വാങ്ങിച്ച് അത് കുറച്ച് നാളിന് ശേഷം നല്ല അപ്രിസിയേഷനിൽ കൊടുത്ത് ഇന്ന് സ്വന്തമായി നിങ്ങളുടെ കണ്ട ഒരു ചെറിയൊരു വില്ലയിൽ താമസിക്കുന്ന അദ്ദേഹമാണ്. ദീപകിൻ്റെ വൈഫ് ശ്രീജ ഞങ്ങളുടെ ആദ്യത്തെ സ്റ്റാഫുകളാണ്. ഷി ഹാഡ് സം മെഡിക്കൽ ഇഷ്യൂസ്, ഷീ കുഡ്ന്റ് കം. സോ ദീപകിനോട് എല്ലാ ഫംഗ്ഷൻസും ഞങ്ങളുടെ കസ്റ്റമേഴ്സിന് പലർക്കും അറിയാം. ഞങ്ങളുടെ ഏതൊരു ഫംഗ്ഷനും കോമ്പയറിങ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് ദീപക് ഉണ്ടാവും, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഭാമേച്ചി ഉണ്ടാവും. അപ്പോൾ ഇന്ന് ദീപകിന് ചെറിയൊരു മൊമെൻറ്റോ കൊടുത്തുകൊണ്ട് ഞങ്ങൾ ആദരിക്കാൻ ആഗ്രഹിക്കുകയാണ്. ഞാൻ പ്രിയെ അതിനുവേണ്ടി ക്ഷണിച്ചു. close this function requesting all of you to join us for dinner and mocktails and the rest of entertainment. Thank you. Thank you each one of you for this wonderful evening. Good night.